Hi guys, welcome back. This is going to be the fourth episode in this series, and what we're doing is going to start doing the body work on this 6x4 tractor, and I think we're going to start with the hood here, and just start cleaning up all the rust, getting off this loose paint. So let's jump in. So starting on the hood here, we're going to use this angle grinder with a wire wheel on it just to see how much of this loose paint we can get off and then go from there. Alright, well, that wire wheel is actually taking off the paint and some of this rust scale pretty quickly. So I think we're just going to keep going with that. So we got a couple of coats of primer on, roughly sanded down, and what we decided to go with is, for our color, is Mini Cooper 900, which is kind of like a silver or metallic leftover from a different job, but I think it'll look alright, so let's get spraying. Well, we got the first coat on, and I think it looks pretty good. You can see all the metallic coming through the paint. Well, we decided not to unbolt everything. One, it just seemed like a lot of work, so this seems to be okay. Over there too. Yeah, looks pretty good. All of our panels are dry enough that we should be able to start putting this thing back together. So let's dive in, and we'll probably end up just doing a montage, an assembly montage, if you will. Yeah. Alright, so we've got the mower all put back together, and this is my favorite part of any project like this, is putting it through its paces and seeing what it can do. So, let's go do that.
I think that's going to do it for this project. Thank you guys for following along, liking and subscribing. That really helps us out. And stay tuned for more interesting ideas and projects in the future. But until next time, take care.